Hello, welcome to another session of Autocad 3D practice. Today we are going to do this simple 3D drawing, and this is going to be the last drawing of this series before we enter another step which is going to be advanced 3D drawing, which we are going to make some advanced drawing. So today we are going to make this simple 3D drawing, and I think this is one of the simplest we have made so far. So without wasting time, let's get started immediately. So all right, okay, so first of all, I'm going to make a circle. Let me turn off these grid lines. All right, so I'm gonna make a circle of radius 22. I make another circle at the same center but radius 11. So at this point, I'm going to make a line, a straight line. I'm going to make a straight line. So pick a line tool, take a line from the center here upward. You can turn on your auto mode so that you can make this line length of 72. Enter, and you make another line rightward length of 72, also 72. Enter. At this point, let's make another circle. At this point, make a circle of radius 10 and make another circle at the same center of radius 5. Then you do again another circle at this point of radius 8, and at the same time the same center with radius 16. Okay, at this point we are going to make tangents to this circle. So you pick line tool. For you to make tangent, you press shift key and right click. You press tangents, you take it here, you come to this one, you press shift key, right click, and you click on tangents and you drop it like that. You enter to exit. You do it again on this side. You right click here, you press shift key, right click, and take tangents. Come here also, shift right click, tangents, and that is done. We are done with that. Now we do what we are going to do to this one is going to be a circle. Not this type of tangent, it's going to be a tangent but in a circle form. So what you are going to do, you pick tan radius circle. At this point, you click up here, you make sure you go a little up somewhere here. You click here and you click here, you enter a radius of 100. You see? Okay. If you did not click so far away, the circle would have turned the other way around. Okay. So let's do again to this spot, this side. This time around, you don't go far, you just click somewhere here and approximately somewhere here. And now enter a radius of 45 and you will have this. So what we are going to do now is to trim off what we don't need. So you type tr, which is trim, then enter. You start trimming this, you trim this, and we are going to delete these lines. They are no more required. And then I'm going to do fillets of radius 10. I'm going to click here and then click here. I have that. It looks like this fillet is not what I needed. Let's do fillet again. F. Make sure it is radius of 10, enter. Then let's do this again. Okay, this is fine now. I think I did not enter the radius the first time, so this is fine. Okay, at this point we are going to convert this to 3D objects. So you come here, you click on this home icon, and then you click on press pull. Let's start with this part. You press pull up here a unit of 38, enter. You do same to this one, but this one will be unit of 10.5. This one will be 10.5. Come here also and do it 10.5. Okay, that is not all. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to copy this up. So you type CO, copy, you select this and select this and select this, right? And then you are going to copy it. You type enter and you look for the center here. There are two centers here, right? So we are not going to pick the first center. Just check, you see the second center up somewhere here. You see, look at the center here. So I'm going to pick this center and move it upward here to this one, this particular center here. I will drop it there, enter. Now this drawing looks little messed up. So for us to see it clearly, I'm going to change view. You come here, you change from 2D wireframe to shaded, and this is what we have done so far. So let's rotate this and see what is there. You can see this is what I wanted to do. Okay, at this point I'm going to continue the press pull. So I'm going to press pull this part by 5 units. Okay, I'll do the same thing to this one. You have to look at this. Yeah, 5 units. You do the same thing to this one, 5 units. Okay, we are almost there. So I'm going to rotate this drawing 360. Going to rotate it 360. Then I'm going to press pull again on this side. Start with this one, 5 units. Do the same thing to this one, 5 units. If that 5 unit does not respond, you can change it to -5 units. Now we have got it. Do this one, 5 units. So that means you are going to use -5 to get it, enter. So this is the required drawing. I said that this is one of the simplest drawing we have made so far. So this is just it. This is it. So you can group everything by using solid union. Group everything, and you can move out to delete any 2D geometry that is not required. Just select this and delete, and then we have this. Let's look at the drawing. Okay, look at it here. You can rotate it the way you want. So like I said, this is one of the simplest drawings so far we have made. So this is just it, and that's all. There's nothing more, nothing less. Okay, at this point, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, so that you are going to because we are going to enter the next phase, that is advanced 3D drawing. We are going to do something more advanced than this. Okay, so bye for now.